the characteristic of a computer. Now, what is characteristic? So, characteristic means the quality which computer is so popular, or you can say the features of a computer. So, let's start the video and learn about the characteristic of a computer in detail.
Characteristics of computer. The characteristic of computers have made them so powerful and useful. The term characteristic here indicate the quality or feature of a computer system. Currently, the computer has become an essential part of human life and can be easily seen in most of the field. Most people are computer friendly and are making their life easier with computer. But when people are asked about the characteristics of computer, they give such responses like what is this? In today's video, I'll explain the basic characteristics of computer and how they are making our work easier. So before going to the characteristic, let's have a quick idea of what is a computer. Introduction to computer. A computer is an advanced electronic machine that takes raw data as input, perform arithmetic and logical operations at a high speed and provide result as output. Typically, a computer performs the following function. It accepts information from the user through various input devices. It performs basic arithmetic and logical operation on the desired data, and it provides the desired result. The term computer is derived from the Latin word compute, which is defined as to calculate, to count, or to sum up. In other words, a computer is a device that performs computation. The first mechanical computer was designed in 1837 by Charles Babbage. It was called analytical engine. It was the first general purpose computer, and Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computer. There are two main components of computer, that is hardware and software. Hardware are the physical part of computer that we can see, touch and feel. Whereas software are the set of instruction which help computer to complete any task. Computer is used for many purposes, such as computer can store important data. It helps to communicate with people around the world. It is used for the educational system. It is used for work like data entry, support, development, etc. Computer is also used in banking, finance and marketing. It is also used in government sector, sport, press and publishing. And computer is also useful for entertainment. Now, what are the characteristics of computer? There are various characteristics of computer system depending on their size, capacity and specifications. But the major characteristic of computer can be classified into speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, reliability, consistency, memory, storage capacity, remembrance power, and automation. Now, let's start and learn the qualities of computer. Speed of computer. Speed is the one of the major characteristic of the computer system. A computer works so fast that it can process any task and provide the output in fractions of second. A powerful computer can handle trillions of instructions per second, which is incredible. With its incredible speed, computer can reduce the amount of time to perform any digital task. The speed of a computer is measured in microsecond and nanosecond. Quality of a computer is accuracy. Computer not only provide incredible speed, instead they are also capable of constantly working with accuracy. The degree of accuracy in computer is very high. Computer can perform calculation at mostly 100% accuracy. Errors may occur in computer system but only because of wrong human input or inaccurate data. Next quality of computer is diligence. Unlike a human, the computer does not get tired or lack of concentration. Due to this characteristic, it overpowers human being in most of the regular tasks. It can work for hours without any fault. This means that if millions of calculations are to be done, a computer will perform every calculation and provide all the result with same accuracy. Next is the versatility of computer. Versatility is one of the most wonderful feature of computers. This means that the computer has the ability to perform completely different kind of work with same accuracy and efficiency at same time. It is not just a calculating machine anymore. For example, for one movement, it can be used to create invoice or bill, and next movement it can be used as a multimedia machine. Next feature of computer is reliability. The result obtained by the computer are very reliable. But this is true only when the data given to the computer or program is correct and reliable. Consistency of computer. The computer is so consistent that it can perform trillions of processes without error for several hours. This means that we can use a computer 24 hours a day or 365 days of a year continuously. Furthermore, it provides consistent result for same set of data. That is, if it is given the same set of data multiple times, it will give the same result each time. Memory of a computer. A computer has a built-in memory where it can store instant data immediately. Here, we are referring to random access memory, that is primary memory, that hold data as long as the computer is connected to power source. Data is erased from memory after shutting down the computer. In addition, the computer includes ROM, read-only memory, the cache memory of different level, virtual memory, and etc., thereby speeding up their performance. Next is storage capacity of computer. Computers can store vast amount of data. Today's computer have increased storage capacity compared to earlier days. Besides, we also have the option to store data in secondary devices as external drive, floppies, CD, DVD, and pen drive. These secondary devices can be kept separate from the computer or attached to other computer. Due to their incredible speed, computer can quickly retrieve data from storage devices. The storage capacity of the computer is commonly measured in megabyte, that is MB, gigabyte, terabyte, and petabyte. Next, quality of a computer is remembrance power of computer. The computer has the power to store any data or information for as long as we like. Data can also be recalled easily if needed. It is our choice to decide how much data we want to store on the computer, and when to recall or erase these data. Next quality of a computer is automation. Computer can also be used to automate routine tasks with the help of task scheduler, such as launching a specific application or software, sending an mail, scanning for virus, and many other maintenance tasks. Besides, computer can also be performed many complex tasks. For example, the computer can start daily maintenance tasks automatically when it is in idle state. This include tasks such as software update, security scanning, and system diagnosis. So, at last, computers are being used in everywhere, from navigation to communication. While there are some limitations or drawback for computers, however, the characteristic of computer overcome them.